under your spotlight.
In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make rhinestone fringe jeans. So fringe trim can be very expensive. For half a yard, it's about like $25 to $30 depending where you get it from, and for like a full yard, it's about like $50, $60. So I found a cheaper way to make some fringe jeans. So I'm going to use a 1-row trim in silver, but you can use any color. They also have gold available, but this is going to be a really cheap way. So this is what it would look like when you're done. And if you want it to look a little bit more full, you can definitely add as much trim as you want, but I just kind of decided to go with 8 rows. So all you need for this project is a pair of jeans, 1 row of rhinestone trim, any color. Step is optional, but I am going to add some rhinestones on it just to make it more sparkly. I'm using my crystal katana, or you can use a wax pencil to pick up the rhinestones. Some E6000 glue. So first I'm going to start gluing around the pocket, since this is going to be the base. Once you cut the trim down to size, this trim is going to be your base. Now repeat this step on the next side. This part is optional as well, but I am going to add some trim to the belt buckle just to give it some more shine. Once you cut your trim down to whatever length you want, you're gonna dab 2 to 3 pieces of that rhinestone into the glue and get it as close as you can onto that pocket seam, because you want it to look like it's attached. So you're just going to keep repeating this process until you're done.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice.
This part is also optional, but I'm gonna add these rhinestones just so it can sparkle more.
It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
This part is also optional, but I am going to add some pearls on it. I actually think that this came out really good. It is super shiny and I love it. This was really easy to make actually. It did take me about an hour because I did have to glue the pearls on and those little rhinestones, but it was totally worth it.
We are better